what actually is the hold up?
Your mum.
Alright, fair enough, at least you're honest.
Did you record that? Yes! Can I please get that?
I'll clip that for you.
Oh, thank you. Boy.
Who's a good boy?
That's what Chloe said.
Tommy, why are you not next to me, bro?
Because I'm getting me ticket! You can't!
Look at him, he's such a good boy sitting there. Isn't that right, Alex? You're a good boy. He's a good little boy.
Good boy.
Nah, fuck you.
It's my dad. He came back. Checking tickets? I can't tell.
The Southern dickhead, what?
Southern dickhead, oh. I mean, yeah, you got a point there.
Oh, you're crushing me nuts. Ow.
Stop crushing them then, you idiot.
Nah, I'm into it.
Yo, look whimsical, Bev. What are you pulling out here then?
My cock.
Splendiferous. What they don't realise is that I have the microphone, so you ain't hearing shit what they're saying. Look at this beautiful boy. 6'7".
Working with black day to pay bills.
To pay bills? Good to pay your bills. I feel really fat conscious. Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're here with the this geezer. Ooh, he loves me. Us, please. Guys, please. This is like not what we came here to film. And you need to behave yourself.
Sorry.
Oh, YouTube shorts? YouTube shorts?
Yes.
Oh, YouTube shorts. Jigsaw. Got boom. Ski.
Bang, bang.
Gay. Yes. Close to lunch, back at 2 p.m. it says. Are you devastated? Really sad. Okay. Yo, we swapped. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Whoa, look at this dude.
This is not a sword fight, I can't be doing that.
There you can.
Because you took my sword.
Sword. Who's a good boy? That doesn't even do anything when you win. It's so boring.
What did you expect?
I wanted it to flash and make some noises. Unbelievable.
Oh, am I supposed to hold that? Fuck around the pussy!
I'm crushing my balls right now. Splendiferous.